Congratulations, oh. Hey, congratulations, oh. I am now a graduate. Congratulations to me. Congratulations to everybody. Congratulations to every single person. Congratulations, oh! Congratulations, oh! We have made it, oh! Congratulations, oh!
Adam, please put your head inside. Put your head inside.
I put my head inside already. Hi, my brother. You will not understand my joy. I have spent 365 days times 4 in the university, and I am out. You will not understand my story, so you will not understand my glory. Have you had days to say it again? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Adam, who you be?
I am First Lady. Yes, First Lady pounds and dollars. Let me tell you my story.
Oh yeah, take it here, leave it here. I am Media. Don't I see Media? I am Media. 30 billion have the currency. If we go, the man can when not equal and then why? I am joy. Oh yeah, take it here, leave it here. I am Media. Don't have to say, but take it can. 85 billion had the currency in a go. Again, when no she and then why? Joy, no be dollar, no be pounds, it no be euro. Now had the currency in a go. Joy, don't not to see, but yet not that joy. Currency, if we go, the man can when not equal and not the money. Take it here, leave it here. Don't have to say, but take it can. 85 billion have the currency. If we go, again when no she joy. No be dollar, no be pounds, it no be euro. Now have the currency, it go. Joy, don't not to see, but yet not that go. Oku banku pato poto. Joy, yeah, like me. Oh no, take it, yeah. I'm going to kill him and kill myself.
Wait,
I'm going to kill him and kill myself.
I will not allow you to do something. Excuse me, because of a man. No.
Adadi, excuse me. Adadi, excuse me now.
Nah.
Adadi, you are annoying me.
I'm not going anywhere.
Excuse me.
No.
Who is that? Media. 30 billion have the currency. If we go, the man can when not equal and then why? Nobody should stop me. I don't want to hear anything. Fine.
Peace be unto this house. Mademoiselle, peace be unto you. Bellafille. How are you people? How are you holding a cutlass?
You're asking me?
Take a chill pill now. Wait now. Wait.
What is settled? What is settled? What is settled?
Wait now. You like to do gra-gra. Just calm your nerves. I'm coming. Your God would like to just hurt anything.
Okay.
Just hold on. I have a present for all of you.
You will see what I'm going to do today. Just come. You will see.
We will see to that. Okay. Going under. Okay. Yes, so.
What is this?
Open it. Take it or leave it.
You must give me that your love, oh. You.
It's money. Everything is money. They can come and steal.
Hey!
Too much money has made you return your weapon back to us now. I told you, this is 11 million hard currency in this bag. Donor money.
11 million.
It's for you and your family, of course. You're asking me. Eh? Come. Just leave her. Let me drop a message. Eh? When she wakes up, tell her to take this money. It's for she and her family. Donor money was here. Remember.
Oh yeah, take it or leave it.
When she wakes up,
I am Dona is media. I am 30 billion hard currency. If we go, the man can mandor equal and then why? Joy. Oh yeah, take it or leave it. I am Joy. Dona to say.
Find something and let's find her. Betty. Find something.
Mama.
Eh?
I'm finding something.
Wrong.
Mama, I can't find anything. She has to wake up first. Betty, wake up.
Thank God.
Thank God you finally opened your eyes.
God,
What happened? Donatus brought you a big bag of money.
Yes. Hey, what's inside again?
He said it's 11 million hard currency.
Don't
No, you don't have to faint again.
Don't faint. Just go and count it and ascertain how much is in the...
Oh, we cannot count it.
We can. Let's two of us can. Let's quickly run through it and count it.
What do we do now? I know what we're going to do.
What do we do?
We need police security.
No. Let's take you to the
Police
bank.
and 2 army.
No, let's take you to the bank first.
We cannot go to the bank. They will ask us how do we get this kind of money.
No, tell him somebody gave us.
Hey, Daddy, you start going home. Oh, but then you help me. Don't tell anybody that you saw anything. No.
I just want to sleep here.
Go home. You don't tell anybody anything. Oh.
Go home.
Go home now. Go home. I said, Marco, will tell you.
Yeah.
Don't tell anybody. Just keep quiet.
Hey. So what do we do now?
I said, let's go to the bank.
Don't let anybody hear it. No. We have to hide this so that nobody will be suspecting that we are now millionaires. I'm thinking we should tie a rope and hide the top of the mango tree.
Who will climb there now?
That's another point. Who will climb there now that you have asked Daddy to go?
Now, you see this money? If I change this money, I'll use this money to build a very big supermarket in this village. Very big one. Everything you want will be inside. Just don't worry.
I see your dream. You are dreaming well. A very big dream for that matter. But let me advise you, friend. You see this money that you are talking about? It's not even up to 200 naira. I am telling you the truth.
I can see that you are jealous of me. Now, by the time I change this money, I'll be the richest man in this village. So, stop being jealous of me.
Hey, who is deceiving you, my friend?
You see Guzo?
Hey, see, let me tell you one thing you don't know. You will not get anything better from this money. Yes, I tell you the truth. When my uncle returned back from Satome, he gave us this money. We were rejoicing, happy. I even booked 2 cars. I was even thinking of building a house. When I found out that this money was nothing, my brother was shocked. Guess what they gave me in exchange?
I can't guess.
Ice cream and popcorn. Oh, it's funny now.
Now, you are a liar. See, this money is different from the one that your uncle came back with. This one is a hard currency. What did I say? If I beg you.
Hey, let me not argue anything with you, please.
Better for you.
By the way, when are you finishing the work we started yesterday?
Me, Obi, do menial jobs in this village. God forbid. You see, no more clearing of farmlands again in this village. I am now a rich man, a very big man. I have money, big money, hard currency. Sibapo.
Hey! It's very funny, oh. But the worst part of it that it's coming from my own close friend. So you don't even know money. Like, see, I'm not here to argue words with you, eh? Okay, now, no problem. I will address you as upcoming big man now.
That's good.
Yeah?
That's good.
Upcoming big man.
I have plenty money. Plenty.
Upcoming big man.
You
Nah.
see, I have big money now. Plenty money.
Hey!
Obi, you did not go to work today. Why?
I will not work again, no. I will not go to work again.
Where did you get that money from?
This morning.
Uh-huh.
Mama,
Uh-huh.
Donatus is back. And he came back with plenty of this money.
For real?
Mama, Donatus gave Betty 11 million of this hard currency. Mama, as you and I are here discussing, Betty is the richest woman in this village.
Are you for real? The Betty that I know.
Mama,
A billionaire.
The Betty that you know is not a billionaire.
Hey. You see, if I had known, I wouldn't have taken that their go-to. Do you think I should return it? Will they accept it?
Mama, use every speed in you.
Okay.
Kilometer, speedometer, whatever it is, and return the goat.
Say they will accept it.
Mama, don't be greedy. Return back the goat. Oh. Return it. Return it back.
Now, wow.
Because Betty, she is a billionaire now.
Hey, and Mama Betty is also in money.
Mama, unless you don't want to enjoy with them.
What are you talking about?
See, let me tell you, if it means selling a plot of land or even plots of lands for me to marry Betty, I will do it. I will do it.
Are you out of your senses?
See, for me to come back to my senses, I need to marry Betty. Yes, that's the only way I can come back to my senses. I will know no poverty again, and my generations can never, ever suffer again. Look at now. Look at now, hard currency. Are you perceive the order? Are you not perceiving the order? Can't you feel it? This is not our normal currency. Perceive the order, smell it now. I'm sure you perceive the order. Are you not feeling it? Yes, this is a hard currency. You know, see, brother. See, let me tell you, Donatus gave Betty 11 million hard currency.
11 million?
A gigway.
Wait. When are we selling the land?
Now you are talking Now you are talking like a person that is reasoning from his brain, not from his anus. See, if not that, I'm not even wearing watch safe. But if not that, there is somehow today, I will say, let me go and find buyers today.
Okay.
But let me fix it tomorrow. I think tomorrow will be better. From morning I'll start, searching for people to buy the lands. Okay. I think like 4 or 5 plots will be.
No. Calm down. You said just 2. 2 will be fine.
No, do you know what I'm planning to do? See, let me tell you, for me to showcase myself, to come out to acquire something bigger, you need to spend more. So what I'm trying to say in essence now is that she's with 11 million hard currency. For me to beat that kind of target, I need to come up with something a little bit bigger, So selling 2 plus, as you said, I think is small. I think 4 or 5 or 6.
Don't worry, 2 will be fine. It's okay. We'll sell it tomorrow. 2 will be fine.
I will start with 2. Let me start with 2. But if it's not enough,
give me 1 for that money now.
See, let me tell you, ego keji achu ego. Do you understand? If I marry that girl, my generation will never, ever suffer again. So as for this one, just leave this one first. When I said,
unless you don't want me to accompany you, that's
no, you are you not my man again?
Unless you don't want me to accompany you.
You see, let me tell you, this money, if I give you this money, where will you change it? Just chill. I will give you something later. And when I change the money, I will from inside and give you something. If I give you this money now, I don't know anywhere to change it. So just relax.
Good day, man.
Well done, man. Well done, sir. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ayon.
Ayon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayon, do you know why you are here?
Yes. I am here to protect you.
No, you're not here to protect me. You're here to protect the money.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Yes, I can protect myself. You are here to protect the money. You understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Power.
Mama.
You told me already that I should wait for Ayon and Power.
Maybe power.
Power, so do you know why you are here?
They had to kill anybody, we will find you trouble.
It's not what I told him just now. I can protect myself. You are here to protect the money.
The money.
Even if I die, just don't allow anybody carry the money. Do you understand?
The money there.
Eh?
The money there.
Yes. There's money here.
You go protect the money.
Plenty money is here. You are here to protect the money.
Okay.
Yeah, take position.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know, you don't protect them. Power, it's as if you go. Let Ayon stay.
Yeah,
Because you're not understanding me.
One die. Okay, the money I go protect the money.
No, it's the money.
Okay, no wahala, man. No wahala.
Mama!
My mother too is here. Don't worry about my mother.
Okay.
Even if she's dying, don't worry at all. She can take care of herself.
Okay.
Just protect the money.
No wahala.
Madam, I can't get anything.
Mama!
Now the money will be protect you, no wahala.
Mama!
Sleep, please leave me. Please leave me. You're still alive.
Calm down.
Mama,
You're still alive. What are you doing here?
go to your room, go outside.
See why I said we should put this money in the bank?
Which bank?
Eh?
Which bank, Mama? All this plenty money, by the time we change it now, which bank will have space for this money to stay there? Which bank?
Then you can put it in our village microfinance bank to be safe there.
Microfinance bank that the security man does not have gun.
But their own money is safe there.
Which money? Want to compare their money to this money? 11 million hard currency.
Let's go and sleep. Yeah? Let's go and sleep.
Shh. I hear that. Shh. Shh. Shh.
What are you doing?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Somebody's outside. Somebody's outside. Shh. Shh.
Wait. Shh. Shh. That thing is not our goods. It's our goat. There's nobody there. It's our goat. Yes. Look at it. Look at that.
See why I like to stone that goat. That goat is a useless goat.
Because of this money, you want to stone our goods? Ha!
Mama, go and sleep.
Betty, come, let's go inside. Okay, let me help you carry the money.
No. Don't worry.
Mama, you don't even trust me with the money.
I trust you with my life. Leave the money.
No problem. Since you want to guide your life and guide you. What? Nobody is there. Look, see it. See. There's nobody there. Hi. Let me go and sleep because I'm tired. Class.
Somebody's baby, somebody's baby.
You're still here? Yes, sir. The command is going to feed. They cannot be awake all night because he was guiding the money. Let's carry the money to the room. It's better.
No, please. Oh God, I have to safeguard this money. I'm doing the right thing. Somebody's peeping.
Nobody's peeping. Hide what? There is nobody.
Mama, take cover. Best.
Which cover? Is it not the same goat? You should see them now. Eh?
Mama, that goat is a suspect. I'll kill that goat.
This night. Come and sleep first in the morning. What are you doing? Hi. I didn't see no one in there. Oh. Hi.
Mama, take cover.
Take over what?
My reason.
What's your reason?
Oh yeah, take it here, leave it here.
We are proud of you. In fact, we are planning to give you very big title, biggest in the land. Akajako one. There's the other one you like so much. Okwabu no. Makanagiwa okwabu no keta, eh? Yes, okwabu no one of Nebai.
Only one. No. I want Okwabonono 1 and 2. That's okay now, Muni. Okay? You don't understand. You're yet to understand who is talking to you here. I have made so much money. Okay? I have so much to spend for our people. If you understand the kind of money I have, I swear, you will shut down the entrance of this village. No going out, no coming in. To make sure that you protect this man at all costs. Because I am the best thing that has ever happened to this village.
Okay. In that case, I will call the local government chairman to provide you with security.
No, there's no point. There's no point. I'll buy a carry on now. This is my hometown, and my people cannot hurt me. If I need security, I will come with FBI now. It's just a phone call. James Cameroon will send me, or Kofi Annan will send me FBI soldiers.
Yes. One and 2.
But in response to that, I love the fact that you're trying to protect this man, of course. In response to that, I will start with building ultra-modern markets for our people.
Oh.
Yeah, 3 ultra-modern markets. Okay, only have 4 in short.
What are you saying?
Hospitals. If we take it or leave it, you will see it now.
You mean?
You will take it or leave it.
Oh, that is great.
You're not even excited. I'm not saying that.
No.
You think it's easy
No,
to build all these things for our people?
No,
And you're just keeping it because you're evil. You're not even jumping up to celebrate me.
No, you see myself. An Igwe cannot be jumping up and down like a confused monkey out of excitement. No. Inside me, within me, you don't know. Eh? I feel like hitting the skies. My son, this is great.
Look now, my back cannot even close. Too much money. Telling him I'll build all this thing, and he's still sitting there.
This is too much.
This is for your snuff, it's not?
And
once I reach home, I'll load and unload. That's how we spend money. Load and offload. Take it or leave it.
Okay. In fact, I will instruct the youth chairman who will give you boys to guide you day and night.
You don't even understand what I'm saying. I said I'm in my village, okay? I don't need security in my village. Alright? It's not needed. My people cannot hurt me. Knowing full well what I stand to do for them. Okay? Look. Before I leave this village, you will hear the headline. I am planning to sponsor, to give 100 boys 1 million naira each for a start. The next year, I will increase it. I just want to start with 100 million for 100 boys, you know, to see what they can do. They appreciate it. The next year, you of course, you'll still be here. Take it or leave it.
This is great. Hey! I never expected such.
Well, that's the idea.
Yeah!
So anyway, I will have to take my leave.
Okay.
I have important things.
My son, go well, eh? Our ancestors shall protect you. They shall lead you, guide you, and bring you back and forth. Eh? Yes, nothing will happen to you.
Take it or leave it.
Oh, yeah, take it or leave it here. Dona is media. 30 billion have the currency.
Power. We must find an easy or hard way to collect that money from him. Call it robbery or whatsoever, I don't care.
Aaron, I am with you. See, we need this money. To jump out of this place. This village, they don't want morale. I deal with you.
Hi. Me, I want to go to Lagos. Let me go there and meet my girlfriend. I promised that girl a lot. I need to better her future.
Take them easy. You and get yourself. Yeah. Me, I want to go out of this country. I'm leaving this country. I'm talking about staying in Lagos and there.
My problem is anywhere where person go, make him. That's just my own.
This one can the sweet. What are the
Oh yeah, take it or leave it here. I am media. Dona is media. I am media. 30 billion have the currency. If we go, the man can when don't equal and then why? Joy, oh yeah, take it or leave it here. I am media. Dona to say, but take it canoa. 85 billion had the currency in a go. They get when no she and then why? Joy, no be dollar, no be bounce, you know be hero.
Yes, hey. Calm down. Listen, the back. No. Inside. The big money. Inside. Okay, inside. Get it. I need to do scholarship. No. Come on. I need to do scholarship. Come on. 1 million for the youth. 1 million for the youth. That's your fine. Nothing like shit. Come on. Okay. Hey. You don't want to say this. I just saw my death now.
What happened?
You saw some boys rob me. I was robbed. Yes.
Where are they?
On the road.
Are they still there?
Yes, they're still there.
Okay. Guards!
No, you don't bring your guards now. You make calls now. Call army, call navy. They have to protect you.
Get me my phone. Let me call the police commissioner. Bring my phone!
Guards!
Bring my phone!
Guards!
Let me call the commissioner of police. They robbed you here.
Look at the people I'm trying to protect. The people I'm trying to help. Rob me.
Bring my phone!
Guards!
Guys, bring my phone! Betty is now a billionaire. Betty. Betty Nkemo is now a billionaire. Hey. No. I will not fold my hands and watch another man. No, I will not fold my hands. Let me lose the hand first. I will not fold my hands and watch another man take her away. As a wife, it's not possible. I cannot allow that. I need to do something. I need to do it fast. Yes. But the problem is, the land. I cannot find buyers up till now. Just 2 plots of land. Not like I want to sell 1 acre or 2 acres of land. This is just 2 plots.
Okay, what is going on? I've been watching you talking to yourself for so long. Is anything the matter?
Nothing. I am meditating.
You don't want to share with me or something?
Oga, I said I am fine. I am only meditating.
Allow her to come in. I brought that clothes you wanted to buy for me last. But you know, say you didn't have the complete money after.
We'll talk later, yeah?
Thank you very much.
I will see you later. Maybe I'll come to your house later in the day. Bye bye, yo. Every time, food. Morning, afternoon, night, food. Buyers, I need buyers. I need buyers so gentle. I need buyers. I need to sell that land.
Can you go? Make a scene for the money.
That is the money.
Do you have enough money to change it?
Walai talai, wanna back you. Kai. Igwe, it be the money this?
I want you to change this money and use it to buy a new car for me.
Igwe.
Do you know where I can buy a new car?
Car?
Yes.
With this money?
Yes.
You won't get them for car? With this one? Igwe, this money, you no fit buy am for nothing. Kajuko, this money, you no fit buy am for anything.
Wait. What are you talking about? I said change this money and buy a new car for me, and you are here ranting.
Nishmelai, this money, you no get them for value. You no get them for value. You no fit buy am for anything. See, okay, Igwe, you see this money, it plenty like this. This money, it be 2,400 naira. You no get them for value. Igwe, you no fit buy am for anything. Yeah, it plenty. See, Igwe, you no get them for value. Igwe no carry this money go anywhere. You no go buy nothing. Kai. Malai, it's a lie. Yeah, I'm not back here. Hey, Igwe, this money you no get them for value.
See money. Where did you get all this money from?
From the land I told you I will sell now.
Wait, so you are really serious about this?
This is not a matter of being serious. By the time I paint this village red, Betty will be crawling, begging me to marry her, and I'll be doing a nyanga. You know me now. I'll be doing a nyanga.
Wait. You really mean you want this Betty by all means?
See, listen, by all means is understatement. See, when if you want to catch a rat, you must drop fish. You understand? You use money to make more money. Money brings more money. I don't know if you're getting me. See, all I want you to do, I don't want you to use your brain. You know your brain is not functioning well. You don't even have foresight. But what I have here is more than 16 sides. So all I want you to do is just to avail yourself. Your work is just to be following me. Don't think, if you think you spoil something for me. Before I choose you as my friend, I know you are negative and I'm positive. You know, negative plus positive will bring light. You understand? I cannot choose an intelligent person like me because when positive jam positive, there will be no light. You understand? So I choose you as my friend because I know you are negative.
You are really doing this because of Betty.
See, let me tell you. All I want you to do now is to go and dress up. We are going to the city to buy a car, not fleet of cars.
Let me not tell you, I'm not going anywhere with you. I can't believe you got this huge amount of money from that your land.
I told you you shouldn't think. Why are you thinking? You don't need to think anything. All you need to do is just to be following me. Okay, but if you are insisting, let me tell you. See, let me tell you. You know, we are now like blood now. We are not just friends because I have known you for years now. Even though you are not using your brain, but I know why I choose you. You understand? See, this land, this money, I sold that land at Amanako. That belongs to the church. Yes. Why are you surprised now?
You sold the church land?
No, I buy the church land. I'm telling you that I sold the land. You are still asking me you sold the church land. No, I dashed them the land. What are you? What?
You know what? You have to cut me out of this whole arrangement. I am not going anywhere with you.
See, listen. I don't expect you to accept because I know you have low mentality. I'm the one doing this job. You understand? All you need to do is to be following me. Don't think anything. I'm the one that sold the land, not you. So if anything happens now, I'll be the one to be blamed, not you. See, let me tell you, that my land you know is not in the site. I tried selling my land, but no way. They are pricing that land just 200,000. Is 200,000 what I will use to get Betty? No, me and you know it's not possible now. And you know how much I need that girl. So I had to sell that church land. See, but you have nothing to worry about. By the time I got married to Betty, that remaining land from the church, I will buy it. So you have nothing to fear. See, I told you before initially, don't use your brain. If you think, you will spoil things for me. Don't just think, just be following me. Let me be doing the thinking and doing the working. You understand? All you need to do is just to avail yourself. Zero your brain, pocket your brain. All you need is, I give you food, you job, I give you money, you hope. Just be following me. See, I've told you everything now. You have nothing to fear about. By the time I am married to Betty, the remaining land from the church, I will buy it. I am sure of that. So you have nothing to fear about. All you need to do now is to go home, dress up. Let's go to the city and buy cars, fleet of cars.
I'm not going anywhere with you. Just count me out of this whole arrangement.
Some people are very funny. I should count you out. What if I tell you that I'm counting you in with the sum of 1 million naira? Will you still be out? Will you?
1 million? Did you say 1 million?
No, I said 100. I said I'm counting you in with 1 million.
In fact, I'm in already.
Before? Why wouldn't you be in?
Do
you have option?
1 million.
Mr. Man, go and dress up. Let's go to the city.
Before we go to the city, I think we should just go and do a little show for Betty and her mother.
Who told you what you just said? Wait. Are you trying to tell me that you are the one that think out this thing?
So I can't think out anything good.
No, I can't believe. Since I know you, today is the only day you made a reasonable point.
You know 1 million is involved. My spirit are charging.
Money can retrieve brain. This one is brain welcome pack. See, go and dress up. We don't have time. Okay, see, before you go, what you need to do is to, this money is much. I don't need to call the figure for you. I don't want you to go mad. You understand? 1 million naira now is making you to think, well, if I tell you how much is here, you can go mad. But I don't want you to run mad as a good friend that I am to you. So now that 1 million is enough for you. What I want you to do now is to just go and look for 2 policemen to hire. We cannot be parading with this money in this village alone. All these hoodlums, can collect it from us.
Yes.
So all you need to do is to hire 1 or 2 policemen that will follow us to their house.
Hey, damn it.
Please be on guard. Madam is already awake. Okay?
Okay. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam.
I'm not madam, I'm first lady. Are you too deaf?
Sorry, first lady. Good morning, first lady. Good morning, first lady.
Where's my chair?
No.
Why did you bring out my chair?
Don't want you to get stained. So,
hurry up. This one, this person that is very dry. He talks too much. He talks too much.
Please stop talking too much, yeah? Don't get her upset.
He talks too much. He does not have any more on. He's the one that talks too much.
First lady, I'm saying sorry on their behalf. Be fast! She said of standing.
We are trying our best.
this is first lady standard. So the chair is there.
Come. I'll send you to the phone.
I'm sorry.
I'm talking too much.
I'm sorry.
Put the red carpet. Mama
This is not too hard. Big carpet, big cool. My leg, the ground is too strong. Sorry.
Hurry up.
The ground is too strong. Oh. Sorry.
Bring out what to Is it not too high for you to... Okay.
Mama, check my feet. It is dirty.
No, it's not dirty.
It's clean.
It's not dirty.
No, it's not dirty.
Ayon, use your tongue.
It's clean. I washed it this morning.
Where's the food?
What would you like to have for breakfast? I have rice and chicken and salad. I have okra and dry fish with eba. I have juice.
Mama, just go and bring the food now. All this question, I'm not stressing myself again.
Okay, let me.
There's no money I stress. Damn, there's money I will stress.
No, let me grab the don't worry. Oh, don't be angry.
Mama, get the okra.
Come and help me now.
Okay, Mama.
Hurry up. Am I forgetting? What am I forgetting? Remind me now. Don't stress me, please. Hey, go and get it now.
Okay. I wanted you to decide on the one you want to eat.
I beg you to come and help me.
Okay, Mama.
Go and bring the other one.
Okay.
To bring everyone.
Nobody's talking. Rice, chicken, okra, dried fish.
First lady, go for the soup.
Salad, juice.
Let me get water for her to wash her.
Bring water now.
Oh, I can't with the rice.
Try here, Steph.
Sorry.
There's bottled water for you to use and wash your hand. There's meat pie. Mom, see water. There's bottled water for you to use and wash your hand.
You can taste the okra too, it's nice. You know it has dry fish.
Maybe she doesn't like it though.
Yes.
Hmm?
Mama, there's no meat inside this okra now.
The dry fish can make up for the lack
Why
of
now?
meat.
There's enough money. There's enough money.
I know. You know it's because of weight now. That was why I did it with only dry fish.
If I'm fat,
I'm sorry.
Mama, don't try it again.
I will not do it again.
First lady, should I open this one for you so that you can wash your hand? I can help you to eat the bone.
No, it's not bone, it's still bone. You can eat the chicken now.
See the chicken, see salad though. Let me see.
Just taste this thing. There's this thing inside. Just check it.
Sorry. What's your problem? Instead of you to drive away flies, you're crying too. I'm gonna go.
Sorry, ma. I didn't know she told me to test.
Why are you mad?
Mama, why is your teeth sharp like that?
This lady, sorry.
See what you're causing.
Don't touch her again.
Sorry, ma. I didn't know she told me to test it. I will lose my job.
This lady.
Betty, my baby. Sorry.
Why is your teeth sharp like that?
Sorry, ma.
This lady, eat salad.
You can eat the salad.
Let me carry it for you.
You can start with the juice. When I change that money, I'm not giving anybody anything again.
Why
You can
not?
give me. I'm your mother.
I'm your friend.
Sorry.
Sorry. First lady, eat.
Should I open the juice for you?
I did not.
Sorry. Bring medicine for her.
Sorry. Which medicine? Let her finish eating first.
Okay, first lady, eat now. I'm carrying this one. You don't want to eat?
Should I open the juice for you? Eat something now. Okay. That's good. That's good.
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Drive the fly well.
No, that's not good.
Okpo.
First lady, should I stand up?
Who asked you to do
your
your
hair
hair
like
like cap like this? What do you do your hair like cap like this?
So I can blow and breeze. That is why I did it.
Ewu, blow who breeze. You're carrying hair. Somebody else is blowing breeze. Mama is telling me that his baby has stolen my hand. Hey!
And I asked him to do shaving.
His baby has stolen my hand. Hey!
Should I stand up?
Sorry.
Sorry, first
Betty,
lady.
should I open juice for you? Don't mind her. She's so
Please,
stupid.
let me stand up. Thank you. Thank you.
Ewu, did she ask me to kneel down in the first place?
I'm only serving her.
Should I open the juice for you? What do you want? You know you're my baby. Eh?
There's an onion boy here and bottled water.
You can eat it with the juice.
Yeah.
Eat the chicken now.
Don't fire poverty. Yeah. Ratty police, Sebastian. Yeah. You don't get to respect at all. Oh, now so it is man. Yeah, I said don't scatter poverty.
For the latest billionaire in this community, his money is too much. Make way for the latest billionaire in this community. His money is too much.
You are not talking to me. Shout now. Shout on top of your voice.
I said make way for the latest billionaire in this community. His money is too much.
Now you come now.
Shout. Make way for the latest millionaire in this community. His money is too much. Make way for the latest in this community. His money is too much. Make way for the latest millionaire in our community. His money is too much. Make way for the latest millionaire. Make way for the latest millionaire. His money is too much. Make way for the latest millionaire in our community. His money is too much. Make way for the latest millionaire of our time. His money is too much. Make way for the latest millionaire.
Okay, you're not talking to me now. You are supervising. Eh? Shout on top of your voice. You're not talking to me.
Make way to the latest millionaire of our time. His money is too much.
Wait.
Make way.
You guys are not the go again. This is not what we project. As it is now, at this one I get motor, I never get motor. And because they use me, they work hard, they trek this long distance. We know they do our work like this. I need to go back to my duty post to continue for where I stop. And I'm ready to do work with you people. But right now, if you don't have car, count me out. We don't do our job like this. As a professional police officer.
Can you listen to yourself? Eh? Can you listen to yourself? Look at you that I'm paying. He's now telling me how and when to spend my money, when to use my money. You that I'm paying, can you listen to this guy?
Eke, he's saying the truth. We need a car.
But you already know my plans now. Eh? We are buying cars tomorrow, not even a car. We are buying fleet of cars tomorrow. You already know my plan. Eh? How can you be listening to this man?
I think at this point, I need to go back to my duty post. And if people are ready to work with me, and I'm ready to work with people, which is if people have the car, and you guys can call me from my office. Thank you.
No problem, you can go. See, Lumba, you know my mission. Let's continue. See, this show, we need to finish it today.
Okay. I'm afraid if we continue this journey with this huge amount of money without security, it's dangerous.
We have nothing to be afraid of. We have already gotten to our destination. Let's go and do this show off today now. As if you don't know my mission again. You already know the plans now. Tomorrow I'm buying fleet of, not even one car. Fleet of cars. All you are supposed to be doing now is after this show off, you start making calls where we will get enough car garage to buy cars. You are telling me to. So you want us to go back when we have gotten to this level?
Let's go.
Come on, shout. See, let me tell you now. This period now that we don't have police, you need to shout very well. Let people hear your voice. See, you are not talking to me. You are not whispering to me. Shout on top of your voice. You are soliloquizing. Since you have been soliloquizing, shout, Oya. Continue.
I will shout, please. Just recharge me.
I will recharge you. I will give you full battery. Just shout, Oya.
Asemekwe for the latest Billionaire of our time. This money is too much.
Thunder fire
Let's wait for him.
Adagi, please pinch me. Pinch me. Let me know if I'm still awake. Just pinch me so that I will know if I'm awake or I'm sleeping.
I would suggest we go to the police and report this matter.
Hey!
I suggest we gather the youth. Go into that bush. Or rather, go to our neighboring villages and look for it. That is the only thing we can do. Police will not work here.
Okay, you are right. That's what we should do. And if I set my eyes on them, I will set them ablaze.
Immediately.
Why will you set them ablaze? Are you not supposed to say you collect the money first from them before you set them ablaze?
How about if you not born with the money?
Hey, let us come with you, Mama. You follow them. Follow them.
Mama,
Follow them, Daddy. Follow them.